Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can repost someone's comment on Instagram to your Instagram story. So this is really good for marketing. Like if someone makes a comment and they ask a question that you think everybody should know, this is going to help you share it with everybody. So first off, let's open up the Instagram app. And then once we're inside Instagram, you're just going to want to select a post that has the comment that you want to repost to your story, and then tap on the post. And then what you want to do is slide the comment to the left. So you're just going to go over here and you're going to slide it to the left. And there we go. And then you should see this little plus icon here. You're just going to go ahead and tap on that. Once you do, it's automatically going to upload it to your story, or at least, get your story set up. You will have both the comment and the image, and you're able to resize these, place them where you want. You can do all the normal things that you usually do on an Instagram story, but this is how you go ahead and you repost someone's comment to your Instagram story. It's pretty simple and easy. Hopefully it helped you out. Thanks for watching.